Hello there, Pierre Repair here. Welcome back to another video. Check this out. These tires are wearing on the inside. This suggests negative camber. They're sitting like this instead of like this. There's more contact being made with the ground on the inside of the tire than the rest of it. So I still have tread left here. I'm more on the outside and towards the middle, and it's bald on the inside. A negative camber. I knew this was happening because I rotate my tires every other oil change. I knew it was happening, but I knew that sooner or later I had to replace those tires because they were wearing quite fast. So instead of doing an alignment, an alignment would correct this situation, but instead of doing an alignment, I decided to let them wear and rotate them regularly. And they're wearing like this. Now I'm close to the wear bar. I'm replacing these tires with 4 Michelin Primacy tires. These tires really look good on the truck. They are the Michelin Primacy LTX Total Performance. Really nice tread pattern, and they look stunning on the truck. This is the left front tire. They are the 26565 R18. The dead code is 0324. The first 2 digits is the week, and the last 2 digits is the year. This is the 3rd week of 2024, and this is the left front tire. The dead code on the left rear is 0123. So left front is 24 and left rear is 23. I'd rather them be the same year, but you can't really win this fight. And this is the right front. This is the 14th week of 2023. I don't know if you can see that, it's really bright out. And this is right rear. This is the 17th week of 2023. I look at the owner's manual. It's recommended to rotate the tires at 7,500 miles. So I'm gonna be diligent in doing that. And I have a package from Firestone for alignment. It's for a year. I was gonna do the lifetime of the vehicle, but I didn't go with that. So I'm gonna do an alignment check every 6 months since I have it for a year, and I recommend everybody do that. Just be diligent with your tire rotation, and for your tires to wear the same way, and check your alignments because there are lots of potholes and that can throw out your alignment. If you see that your steering wheel is off center, that's a telltale sign that you need to check your alignment. All in all, I think that's a really good investment. And at Costco, I think they were over $1,000 for those tires. It's like $1,094, I think. I don't remember well, but I think they were $1,094. And then they do the service they change the rubber and your TPMS sensors, but that you gotta bring your own TPMS sensors if you want them replaced. They don't just go ahead and replace them for you. You need to bring your own. And I think I have warranty on these. I think it's 55,000 miles or 75, I don't remember. And also you get free tire rotation with Costco. I checked and nobody could beat Costco's price. If you have a Costco membership, I would recommend that you do this whole transaction with them because I checked everywhere. They were the ones that could give this price with those Michelin tires that I wanted. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, share it with somebody else that you think it will help, and consider subscribing. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.